I put the wrong song in this video. It's supposed to be a different one, so my bad, y'all. Anyways, today we're gonna learn how to do acrylic bead formation. So I also want to point out that I will not be doing a video this Sunday or Saturday because I'm getting a tooth pulled. So, you know, this is my video for that. Anywho, let's get in here. Make sure your brush is really wet. Make sure, you know, it's not dry at all. You know, soak it up really good. Brush it off on the edges. So we're going to start out making small beads. We're going to go small, medium, large. You want to wipe it all the way off on your brush and just drag it to get one small bead. In order to get your medium bead, you're going to want to go in, wipe it from middle way, and wipe it off and grab 2 little swipes, 1, 2. Then you get your medium sized bead. Now you can have so many variations of small beads and medium beads and large beads, but we can get into that a different time. Now we're going to do our large bead. So you want to go in, only swipe off, sorry, the tip, and 1, 2, 3 swipes to get your large bead. All right, now, so we'll go in and we are gonna end up doing this again, but I just want to give y'all a close up. And there it is of your 3 variations. Okay, get your brush in there. I always do this. You don't have to do it, but I do to kind of like spread it out. So, small bead, we wiped it all the way off. We grabbed a teeny little bit by swiping the acrylic brush through the acrylic powder. Gonna lay it down. Now we're gonna go in for that medium bead. Go in, swipe it only halfway down your brush, and go in twice. 1, 2. Medium bead. And again, now here for the 3rd bead, only wipe off the very tip of the brush. 1 little swipe is what we're going to do here. 1 little swipe, and 1, 2, 3. There you go with your large bead. Now if you're a beginner, then you will end up figuring out how to do this on your own in your own way. Everybody does, but I'm just showing you how I can do it, how you can start doing it if you'd like. That does conclude this tutorial. I'd just like to let y'all know I'm gonna come out with my next tutorial will be how to lay the acrylic beads, you know, on the nail tips. So stay tuned for that, and I will see y'all soon. Ta-ta for now. Do